Are you trying to get your client's hair to a beautiful platinum white blonde? It's easy, and we're going to show you the two-step process you need to follow to achieve that. For this makeover, we're using Brilliant Blonde X. It's a new bleach by Ugly Duckling with Bond Protect. Now there are other bleaches around, many of them very good, but this bleach does lift by 7 levels without damaging the hair, and it prevents breakage, and that's really key. Now if you want to get hair to a platinum white blonde, you do need to bleach it to a level 9 or 10. We've produced this chart of real hair samples to show you what level 9 or level 10 looks like, and this is the level you need to get it to before you can start toning. To tone the hair, we're using Ugly Duckling's Pearl Blonde Toner with 10 volume developer. It's packed with all these blue pigments which take out yellow and make the hair nice and white and platinum blonde. So here's the final result, a beautiful white platinum blonde. And this is a result you can achieve very easily in your salon following the two-step process we just showed. Bleach first with Brilliant Blonde X, then tone with Pearl Blonde Toner 10V.